Welcome to Techie Tidbits. My name is Jennifer. During this video, you'll learn how to alphabetize sheets by artist, change font and the font size for the entire sheet, separate genres with tabs or new sheets, add a new sheet or tab for a new genre, and duplicate a row. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so I just finished putting in some albums by The Who, and it's not yet in alphabetical order, so let me show you how to sort them so that the whole spreadsheet is in alphabetical order. You go up to the column right here where it says B, because that's the artist column, and you click on it, and then this little arrow pops up, this little drop down arrow, and you click on that, and then you select Sort Sheet A to Z. And then it takes a moment. And there it goes. So now you got a whole bunch of Who albums showing up. There's a little problem. I don't like the way these are different size texts. So we're going to select everything. What I'm going to do is go click on the first one, actually this corner here. And then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom of the screen, bottom of the list, and select the one all the way diagonal on the bottom right. I'm going to hold the Shift key and then click on it, and it selects everything. And then I'm going to make sure to click on the size of the font, click on 10, and select Arial. It's working on it. So after it's done changing this font size, then I'm going to change everything to Arial, because Arial is nice and condensed. It all fits very well. So supposedly now everything is the same font size, but we still have some of these fonts that are looking kind of big. So I'm going to go and select Arial and just make sure they all change. So now everything looks pretty consistent. Also, I wanted to show you down here at the very bottom of the screen, we have different tabs, and those represent different sheets. So we actually have one album in classical and one album in soul. Something that happened though when I made this new sheet, I'm not sure what happened, but it's rounding all the prices up. See that? I don't know why, but I can't seem to figure out how to stop doing that. So we'll just have to live with it, okay? If you need to make a new genre, so go to this one here. It says duplicate this to make a new category. And you go to this little arrow, and then you click on duplicate. And then after you duplicate it, then you go to the new one, click on that little arrow, and click on rename. And then everything should be good to go from there. Okay, so here we have the Rolling Stones album, Steel Wheels, and you wrote here that you have 2 of them. So what I'm going to do to make my life a little bit easier is I'm going to copy this whole row. And the way you do that is you click on the number on the end that numbers the rows. You just click it, and then it highlights that whole row. And then you just Command C, which is copy. Click on the one you want to paste it into and click Command V, and there it is. And we need to edit this just a little because we're talking about 2 different albums. So I took out that. I'm saying one very good, and typing cover. Oops.